Whoa! Hi, Kate. What are you doing?
Hi, Jonathan. I'm calculating.
Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Yes, sure.
Which country has given you the largest order?
I think it's from Nigeria.
Wow. How much was it?
About 1 million.
1 million.
Yes, the 1 million order. All is for the owners, for the wall and the floor and the stairs total together. And I have many customers from Nigeria, and they are very nice and professional also for this area. And they are very friendly, so I love to talk with them and make friends with them.
Have you ever been to Nigeria before?
Not yet, but I'm planning to go there.
And have you ever tried Nigerian food?
Yes, my customer introduced for me also. It's called jollof rice.
Yeah, I have some friends from Nigeria and I like to make friends from all over the world.
Yes, me too. So why I do this business.
Great.
And also many customers from all over the world also like to come to Foshan and come to George to buy the building material and serve the one-stop solution.
Great. That's it for today. We had some questions and answers from our sales team. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.